So we get paper from the pulp of the bamboo, eucalyptus, and we get rubber from the latex that flows from a cut in the tree. So we get paper from the pulp. So what is the pulp? That is the wood based raw material, okay, of the bamboo and the eucalyptus. So these are the plants, and pulp is the wood based raw material that is used for for making the paper. And we get rubber from the latex. So latex is the milky fluid, okay, that flow from the cut in the tree. When we cut the tree na, it flows, and that used for making the rubber. You see in this picture, this is the latex, so for making the rubber. So in the paper, this is the bamboo tree, and when we cut, and then after that the pulp, wood based raw material is made from this, and after that we get paper. And we get gum from the juice of the stem of the acacia plant, okay. So this is the gum that is made that we get from the stem, this stem from the acacia plant. So after that the fibers, what we get from the plant, that are the fibers. Plants give us fibers which can be made into the cloth. So plant give us fibers which can be made into the cloth. Cotton, jute fibers are used to make clothes, robes, bags, mats, etc. So these are the cotton and jute fibers are used to make clothes, ropes, bags and mat, etc. So cotton fibers like this, these are the clothes, shirts, muffler, okay. Jute fiber are used to make the mat and the handbags. So after that the medicines, we get medicine from the plants. We get many herbs from the plants. Turmeric, that is haldi, and the neem have been used as antiseptic for the long time. Antiseptic prevent cut from the becoming septic, means. And we get herbs from the plants. Turmeric, that is a haldi, and the neem have been used as antiseptic for the long time. And antiseptic means prevent cuts from the becoming septic, and it becomes septic, okay. And the bark of the South American cinchona tree was used to make a medicine called the quinine, okay. So there is a cinchona tree, and the bark of that tree, that is South American cinchona tree, is used to make a medicine, that is quinine. And quinine is used to treat malaria, and it's used to treat malaria. After that you see perfume. So flowers like rose and jasmine give us perfumes. Perfumes are the pleasant in smell, and these are used for the many purposes, okay. And after that we get furniture. We get wood for the furniture, doors, windows from the trees. We get wood from the shisham, sar, teak, mango, chandan. So we get wood from the furniture, okay, for the doors, for the windows from the trees. And we get wood from these are the plants. We get from the shisham tree, sar, teak, mango tree, chandan tree, etc. So you see in this picture. And plants and trees help in reducing the pollution. So what the plants and trees help in reducing the pollution. Plants and trees give out oxygen and the water vapor. So what plant and trees give? They give oxygen and the water vapors. Oxygen keeps air fresh and clean. So oxygen what keeps? It keeps air fresh and the clean. And water vapors help in water cycle. So water vapor help in water cycle, and they help in the rain. And the rows of trees planted along the roads reduce air pollution and noise pollution. So the trees which are planted along the roads, okay, in the rows, they are planted along the roads, that help in reducing the air pollution and the noise pollution. So we should plant more and more plants near our houses. So what we will do? We should plant more and more plants near our houses, so that we can reduce the pollution, that is air pollution, noise pollution. Thanks.